Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick, simple glam eye tutorial because on my Instagram a little while back I had posted that, there you go, and I asked if it would be helpful. And as you see, most of you said yes. The 3% of you, get out of here. It was super easy. I did it in the car, and so I was like, I guess I can show you. I don't feel like I actually know what I'm doing, but I know what works for me and it looks good. So even though I might not be doing things correctly, it works for me. So I wanted to share it with you. So kind of my favorite in the car thing, I talked about this in my 5-minute, holy crap, we gotta go face tutorial. But it is the Huda Huda Beauty Matte and Metal Melted Shadows, and this is in Drop Top. Okay, it's fine. So all I did was grabbed this, and I just put a little bit on. Again, I did this in the car, which is kind of what I loved, because I love being able to tell you guys that I didn't sit in front of an amazing mirror with, you know, a million tools or anything. And then I took the other side of it. I'm trying to remember what I did next. I kind of don't, because I just wing it. I don't really have any good technique. I just kind of wing it, so I'm trying to remember sort of what I did. So I just went in. Look at that. Oh, it is so shiny. And I just kind of brought it to halfway to this a little bit maybe. And I just did it just on the lid. I mean, can we just, how easy is this? Seriously, how unbelievably easy is this? It's tracing. I don't know if you can hear my husband telling my kids to get out of the cereal because it's almost dinner time. But that is the story of my life. So there's that. You saw how easy that was, how long it took, that I used 0 brushes or anything. But then I'm coming in, and this is my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette remastered, but really whatever. I'm just kind of going for these darker, a gray and a black. And so I'm just tapping a little kind of fluffy-ish brush. See it? And I'm just kind of tapping it in that corner. Look at it go. Super easy. Oh my goodness. And you're just kind of, it's so easy. So technically, you're supposed to hold from the back of the brush. I told you I don't really do anything like I'm supposed to. And then if there's a little too much right here, you can just literally, I mean, it's so boom. And then if you want to go a little bit darker, which a lot of times I do, I just got this kind of pointed-ier, can you see it? Pointed-ier brush. Going with the black. Tap, tap. And then this V that's made by your eyelid. Just go in and kind of trace it a little bit. Oh, that's nice. So I do a little V, the darkest. And then if you need, you can just go back in with that other fluffier brush and just kind of blend it. Which I don't really understand when they say it. So just swirl-a-doodly it in. You know what I mean? It just kind of buffs it out a little bit. That was pretty much it for the, I mean, so easy, right? Are you kidding me? And then if you want to make it full glam, eyeliner, mascara, I am using Tarte's Sex Kitten. Ow. And look at the cute little kitty cat ears. Look at it. Oh, so darling. But I mean, literally all I did, it's super simple because it's like a felt tip, I think. Is that what that's called? Felt tip. There you go. So I don't make anything more complicated than it has to be, you know? Just a thin line. And if you want to go a little bit, this is so hard to do this in a video. Yeah, so you can just wing it out a little bit or to your heart's content. I feel like I have wing issues. There's a cartoon that she's just going back and forth trying to like straighten it out and even them out, and then she just has raccoon eyes, and I'm like, no, that's me. But that's it. And then mascara to finish off the look. Super simple, not that hard. I used 2 products, and I did it in the car, and I did it in about a minute when I was in the car. So, hope that helps.